Welcome back, guys. Well, it's demo day, and today, in addition to grinding on the floor and getting it level, this guy's getting out of here. The toilet is also, but we're gonna wait on that guy. I think lunchtime we'll take a break, get some lunch, pick up the toilet. But this guy, it's gotta come out. And turning this essentially into a disaster zone. Whew. I've been grinding on the floor, can you tell? It looks like got the window open trying to get it out. Killing me. Coming on one piece, people. One piece. Or you can break it. That works too. Okay. Right. Yep, got it. Just don't break hurt anything.
Caroline, can you see that,
oh, yeah.
Go into the drawer.
Bam!
Bam! Go team.
Do you remember in our last video that very large heavy tote of tile? This is how they got it out. A moving dolly, a little bit of arm strength to set it on top, and then wheeled it through the house. I don't mean to brag, but my wife is pretty darn smart, because that was an ingenious way to get it out of the closet. Not sure how they got it to the garbage can though.
Alright guys, we'll bring you back when we have some more progress. But that was essentially demo! So, the bathroom we've seen, it's underway. I've actually got the flooring started. You can't tell, but there's one piece of wood in there. Only took me 2 hours. Hopefully we're getting going. We went to the store to buy the paint. Forgot the paint swatch, thought we could eyeball it. Came back with this. Don't like it, too dark. Fixing it. How? Not taking it back. We're just making our own in the kitchen. Because my wife's not here to tell me not to. How's it working?
It's going lighter than what we had.
Yep, definitely lighter. And that's what we're going to go with.
Okay. Yeah.
Because we've already
ran
done
out
it.
of white. So
We don't have any more to put in it.
Yeah.
But the upside is we're going to paint the bedroom with a gallon of paint. Because the rest of it was free.
That's right.
We used a half a gallon of something we had, a quart of something we had. It's a custom color. Custom, people.
Custom.
Nothing but the best for my wife.
Exactly.
So, let's get some painting done. I'm going to keep laying the flooring.
I'm gonna start.
Welcome to day 47 of the reno.
What?
The bedroom
What about it?
is getting a wonderful coat of paint from that lady over there.
Huh.
That's beautiful. There's painting going on. Wonderful painting. There's Miss Glenda with a garbage bag. And she's with a garbage bag because we're at the relatively nasty part of the job, which is flooring's underway. Look at that. Isn't it looking beautiful? Mind you, this is the second time the flooring's been laid because the mastic or thin set underneath was too thick, so I had to grind it all down. That was not fun. We'll pretend we did it right the first time. Now, bleh. Okay, so the floor is almost done. Gotta do the edge pieces here, in here, and in the closet. And I think we managed to do it with 4 boxes when our estimate was 5. So I'm crossing my fingers that we'll be able to do that because that's a $50 savings. And since I also have to go buy more parts to fix the toilet, and the fact that I have to even lay flooring, I'll take any savings I can get. I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm nasty, sweaty, bleh. I'm sitting where there's a toilet in my shower. I miss my wife. I wish she was here. She would be doing the toilet sitting. But, what are you gonna do? Paint is underway. Melissa has gotten all of the trim all the way around the room done. And now she's doing, quote unquote, the easy part with the world's tiniest roller. I don't know what that's about. You know, I know that I haven't mentioned what's going on this back wall here, but I did notice that I actually have to complete that before I can set the toilet. So it's going to be shiplap. You now know the secret. That's as high as the fan goes, really. I also have a very sophisticated coffee protector.